was very intentional and clear for me why we would get into the auto body business and as well into the tuning business. The auto body business, we wanted to control the customer experience. Using a third-party independent, you just can't do that. And I immediately said from day one, this has to be a separate business, it needs to be operated independently. And I really think that's why it's been successful over the years. Porsche, Audi clients leaving our service departments to go to independents because they could do things to their cars that we as a manufacturer representative couldn't do. So we opened these tuning business. I remember very vividly when we went into the leasing business. And in 1991, there was a terrible recession in Ontario, and I had to decide what to do. One of the answers was the used car business. The second one was the leasing business, which proved to be a good strategy long-term for us.